bring all the atheists in the world. I want to talk to them only for 1 minute. If there is an effect, there must be a cause. Around me I see all the creations. Then there must be a creator. We can dispute who the creator is, but the existence of the creator is established. The man who was reading Bible in the train was constantly disturbed by the scientist who was sitting opposite to him in the train. And he said, so much science has developed and you still read Bible? The man who was reading the Bible asked the scientist, me reading Bible, is it disturbing you? No, it's not about disturbing. Science has evolved so much to explain life, and why you people continue to believe in those old traditional religions, I cannot understand. Saying that, the scientist took his business card, handed it over to him and said, whenever you can fix up an appointment with me, fix up an appointment, come and discuss. I want to explain a scientific way to look at life. Humbly, the business card was taken by the one who was reading the Bible. He kept it inside the Bible and closed the Bible, knowing very well this fellow won't allow me to read anyway. When the station came where they had to get down, when both of them got up, the scientist asked the man who was reading the Bible, you never told your name. So the man who was reading the Bible introduced himself saying, my name is Thomas Alva Edison. For the benefit of some of you, Thomas Alva Edison is a very famous scientist. Is considered the father of all inventions. So the scientist immediately startled asked, sir, you read Bible? Edison said, yes, I do. So the scientist immediately asked Edison, sir, when can I come and see you? So a day was fixed, and on the appointed Tuesday, the scientist came to see Thomas Alva Edison. And in the living room of Thomas Alva Edison, an immaculate model of the solar system is there. It's still preserved in the Edison Museum. An immaculate mechanical model of solar system is there. So curious, the scientist asked Edison, sir, who made this? Who engineered this? Edison smiled and said, nobody made it. It was not there last night. Morning when I came, it had come. Now when a great person cracks even a lousy joke, you have to laugh in respect of that man. I am referring to Edison. So the scientist simply laughed to encourage Edison and then said, sir, I am seriously asking you, who made this? Edison said, I am telling you very seriously, it was not there last night. I came in the morning and it has automatically come. The scientist said, sir, between you and me, we know it's not possible. Somebody should have made it. Edison said, when all of you scientists think this whole solar system itself has come by itself and nobody else has made it, can't a model of solar system come by itself? The scientist said, I see the point, sir. Can you elaborate further? If there is an effect, there must be a cause. Tell me, I am not able to understand who that God is. A very honest apprehension. There's nothing to discuss, like the Rig Veda says. We don't know what it is, but we know it is. With every beat of my heart, I can feel life is beautiful.